Hello, brilliant people. This is Sir Job, and welcome to my golden life here in Taiwan. So, tonight we're going to answer one question from my previous videos. Okay, here we go. According to this teacher, 43 na po, sir. Teacher 1. Any advice? Elementary teacher po. Okay. First of all, I really don't know how to give an advice to someone na hindi ko kilala and hindi pa kita nakita. Hindi ko din pinanood ang mga videos mo. Hindi ko din nakita yung capacity mo to speak, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, ikaw yung mas may alam sa sarili mo. But since nagtanong ka sa akin, now let's go back to your age. Sa edad na 43, I believe okay pang mag-teach dito sa Taiwan. Sa edad na yan, I think malakas pa yung pangangatawan mo. But consideration to think about is, willing ka ba to change something about you? Kumbaga, willing ka pa to accept something that is new na pwede mong i-apply sa sarili mo. Kasi kapag gusto natin maging foreign teacher, mababago talaga yung perspective natin sa teaching, the way natin i-handle ang mga kids, the way natin dalhin yung ating klase, kasi iba po talaga dito sa Taiwan. So, if you're willing to undergo that kind of thing, so, go for it, teacher. Even if you are already 43 years old, that's still okay. And sad to note, because yung edad mo 43 na, pero yung position mo sa DepEd is teacher 1 pa rin. Hindi ko alam ang dahilan kung late ka na bang nakapasok sa DepEd or bago ka pa, bago ka pa lang siguro nakapasok sa DepEd kasi teacher 1 ka pa tapos you're already 43 years old. Or baka naman hindi ka talaga na-promote, baka 10 years ka na sa DepEd or baka 15 years ka na sa DepEd pero hindi ka pa rin na-promote. So, ibig sabihin ng teacher, parang iba talaga ang calling ng iyong profession. Siguro, it's time for you to find another environment kasi parang hindi talaga para sa iyo siguro ang Department of Education. Kasi ang tagal ng promotion sa iyo, if ever na nasa 10 years or 15 years ka na in the service. Malungkot ako kung teacher 1 ka pa rin up until now. Although alam ko na sa elementary level, medyo hindi ganun ka-bilis yung promotion ninyo. Pero given the fact that you're already 43 years old, medyo questionable sa akin na teacher 1 ka pa rin up until now. So, siguro magiging motivation mo yan para talagang i-pursue mo yung dream mo to become a foreign teacher in Taiwan. So, wala akong gagawing basis sa iyong performance as to how you speak English or paano ka magturo kasi hindi ko pa naman nakita. So, ikaw lang po yung makakasagot sa part na ito, teacher. If you think that you have the capacity to speak English, you can deliver your instruction in the medium that we are talking here, which is the language, English language. So, if you know na kaya mo pa, then go for it. Kasi worth it din po talaga na ipaglaban ang Taiwan. That's all. Bye-bye.